for brush. Now let's go and make some art. Drawn paint, come on, let's start. Color, texture, shapes, and lines. Making art of every kind. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Artie? Artie! Wake up! Artie! Hello. Let's draw something sweet today. Ice cream.
Ooh, yeah.
You want to draw an ice cream?
Yeah.
I thought you would.
Good day, Artie and friends.
Well, if we're going to draw an ice cream, we're going to need lots of colours.
Ooh.
Go and get some coloured marker pens.
He started from scratch. He'll do his part. He's gonna get creative and make some art.
I am so excited to see what Artie is going to do today.
Artie, are you ready to start drawing?
Okay.
All right, well, let's start with a small C on the left and a back to front C on the right. Perfect, Artie. Now let's join those two C's together with an arc on the left and an arc on the right, but leave a gap at the top. What's an arc? Well, an arc is just a different word for a curve. And now Artie's drawn a little heart shape in the gap with a stem. Can you tell what it is? That's right, it's a cherry. And then finally join the shape together with a curvy, smiley shape at the bottom. Let's do a little hook shape on the left and then opposite on the right. Connect the two, and that's the top of the cone. Now do the same again underneath, but slightly bigger. A bigger hook on the left, a bigger hook on the right, and connect the two. Perfect, Artie. Now let's do an angled line down on the left, and another one on the right. Opposite, perfect. And let's connect those two lines with a little curvy smiley shape. There we go, there's the cone. Oh, Artie's still singing. Okay, now let's draw some eyes. It's an ice cream. Haha, I made a not very good joke. Okay, it was like one of Mikey's jokes. There's another eye. I like how Artie made the right eye a little bit bigger. That makes it look a bit more funny. You have to add some eyebrows. And of course, a smiley mouth. And let's do a tongue inside. Little line. There we go. There's his tongue and his smiley mouth. It's time for sprinkles. I love sprinkles. Yum, yum, yum.
Yum.
You like sprinkles too, Artie. I can tell. A couple more. Shape break.
Hello, little artists, and welcome to this shape break. I'm Louie, and I'm going to be teaching you about this shape right here. It's a cone. Cone, that's right. Now, a cone has a circle at the bottom, goes up to a point, and, well, it's cone-shaped. I'm amazing. Some of my favorite cone shapes. Let's think. Well, mountains. There's a mountain there. I do like mountains. Traffic cones. I don't really like those too much. Christmas trees. Of course, I love Christmas trees. One there. And, not shown here, but my favorite cone of all, ice cream cone. Which, well, the ice cream cone has to be the other way around, otherwise the ice cream would fall out, of course. But, well, speaking of ice cream, why do you invite an ice cream cone to a party? Because his buddy is cool. Oh, my goodness, I'm so funny. Why did the traffic cone keep getting lost? Because he was confused. No, not so good, that one. What do traffic cones use to fix their hair? Conditioner. Oh, I'm so... Don't be confused. Don't be concerned either. Concern. Okay, I'll go.
Quack, quack. Quack, quack, quack.
Back to it.
Okay.
Okay, let's draw the texture on the cone. So we'll do some diagonal lines, but curvy. Curved diagonal lines. That's really good, Artie. Now let's do the same, but the opposite direction. That's right. And we're going to crisscross the curved diagonal lines. That looks really good. Fantastic. I mean, I think you're really nearly finished. But why don't we thicken up some of the lines? That always helps to make the object pop out of the paper. There we go. That's perfect. Just thicken up the shape of the ice cream on the top of the cone. Really good.
Art brings me so much joy.
Ooh.
Well, Betty, it brings me and Artie so much joy also. It's always fun to make art. Now we're thickening up the lines on the cone. Oh yes, it's really starting to pop off the page now. When Artie's really concentrating, he gets a funny look on his face. You know, I'm starting to wonder what flavour ice cream this is going to be. Do you know yet, Artie? Vanilla. Ooh, yummy. That's actually my favourite flavour of ice cream. What's your favourite flavour, Artie?
What?
Chocolate.
What?
But you decided to do vanilla today. Oh, I see. All flavours of ice cream are your favourite. What about you, little artist? What's your favourite flavour of ice cream? Yummy. It looks like you're finished. Should we colour it in? That's a really great job, Artie. What a lovely vanilla ice cream.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Me too, Mikey.
Yeah.
Well, it's that time to say goodbye to the little artists.
Yeah.
We hope you all have an arty day and goodbye for now.